The Australian Songwriters Association is always very proud to be able to present the Rudy Brandsma Award. This one leads to someone scoring a wonderful instrument, in fact, a Maton guitar.
Each year, the Rudy Brandsma Award is sponsored by Maton Guitars, who provide one of their beautiful acoustic guitars as the main prize. Tonight, we're pleased to have Adrian Eyre from Maton with us to announce the name of the winner.
And the winner of the Rudy Brandsma Award is Robert MacIntosh.
Robert, would you like to come to the microphone and say a few words, please?
Not too many words. I'd like to thank Stuart Peters for getting me back into writing about 10 years ago. And my best friend Annie, who's here tonight, who got me going again. Thank you.
I would like your attention now as I recall to the stage the chairman of the Australian Songwriters Awards, Mr. Danny Burgess. Ladies and gentlemen, make him welcome all over again.
Hey, how you doing? This suit, I'm glad to be here, but this suit gets me in anywhere. It's fantastic. I've got one special award tonight, and this guy, he works his butt off. He works his butt off, yeah. And you've got to say, he is just an amazing character. Every year, he puts in hours and hours to do the clips for us and stuff like that. And I want him to come up on stage and be recognised, please. He is a director of West Ashfield, but he needs some recognition because nobody ever thinks of him, but he just does it, and he does it really well. Please give it up for Russell Smith. Come on up, Russell. Russell Smith, everybody, please. Russell. What we do each year is we try and get the Rudy Brandsma winner to actually play the song for you, the song that you just saw that got the Maton Guitar prize. And this year, it's Robert MacIntosh. Now, Robert doesn't play anymore. He doesn't perform. Because Robert won it, he said that he'd like to have somebody sing it for him. And we got somebody to sing it for him, and it is none other than Jacques Mario Gentle, who was the Songwriter of the Year last year. So he's going to do Robert MacIntosh's song. And I just want to say one more thing. Robert MacIntosh, his song is about his son, okay? And it's very poignant. Please listen to the lyrics. It made me cry when I heard it. So please give it up for Jacques Gentle, please.
Watching Muppets on TV. There never was a happier situation or father-son relationship than my young mate and me. It used to be a happy now and then thing, lying on a fold-out bed and talking all night long. We ran out of words, we started singing, the happy lines still ringing to a Roger Miller song. It used to be about you and me, what we could be forever. It used to be about harmony and family forever. It used to be fish fingers, peas and taters, a movie about a dragon feeding ducks and sipping beer. Time flew by, we learned to celebrate us. Our time together made us realize why we were here. It used to be about you and me, what we could be together. It used to be about harmony and family forever. The 9th day of October came and went again this year. No birthday celebration for a boy you won't be here. His daddy wrote a song, his mama wiped away a tear. It used to be we'd race toward tomorrow. We ran out of fingers counting good stuff that day. You drew rockets taking off in Dayglow, with Astro Boy your hero and me your loving dad. It used to be about you and me, what we could be together. It used to be about harmony and family forever. It used to be. It used to be.